apparently buzzed and clicked it enough that it doesn't want to do it anymore.
I'd say this one's short.
That's what it sounds like.
Now, anytime this fans down by the
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
compressor runs, the compressor should be running at the same time, and right now this one is not. Usually you just put your hand on it and feel it. Now the compressor may feel hot and not be running. If this fan's not running, the compressor will heat, and it'll cause those relays to actually do their job and shut the compressor off when it overheats. So don't mistake that with this fan not running with a bad set of relays. You can burn the relays out, but get the fan running, pull the compressor down, and it'll probably fire up. So I'm not actually there we go.
So do we think the relay takes that fan compressor off so it has a problem?
Exactly.
But on my new relay, I have here came with a little extension. There's two white wires, so I just basically made the wires longer so it's easier to plug them in. Now, on a lot of these, you're going to find a little wire that hooks and holds this from vibrating over. And all you have to do is basically push in on it, pull it, and it pops off. You guys can play with that and figure out how to get that off, but that's how it works. Make sure you put that back on because you don't want your compressor to run for 6 months, and then those get vibrated loose and fall off, and then you won't have a compressor again. Alright, so we got our new relays on, plugged in, and I'm going to go ahead and get your clamp on amp meter. Now, see, you can see that, set on amps. Right now I'm getting 0.4, I don't know what that means, but clamp around one of those wires and see what we get here. I should get right around 1 amp or slightly over. Usually 1112, something like that. About what they want on that one. Now, if you have a compressor that's running and your refrigerator is not cooling, a quick check you can do if you have an amp meter is to clamp onto one of the wires.
That's a great idea. Yeah, okay. The fan's plugged into the wall, so and I'll have to do something with some. I know there's not a screen in there, is there?
Oh, there isn't. Never mind. Never mind.
Well, I've got screens.
What the windows look like. I tell you, after it's hard to believe. That's just what happens over time.
Yeah.
Nothing ever lasts, huh? Well,
Yeah, I can do something with that fan and hold the window, and then I got
even
screens.
if you put it in that end, if you have a screen in that window, don't you?
Yeah.
Or any window, period. But anyhow, that's not that bad.
Let's see.
Clogged coils can cause poor cooling. Check to make sure nothing is stuck in the condenser fan and that it spins freely. Models with coils on the back won't have a fan. To do this, unplug and pull it out. Clean the fan blade and spin the fan by hand to see if it's stuck.
Alright, that's taking me in the right area. Okay. Now the freezer wasn't getting any frost, but I was getting that chirping noise.
Yeah, here. That's why they were taking this out then.
Oh.
Because here it's telling me if you remove the cover inside the freezer and find the coils completely filled with frost, take everything out of the freezer and fridge and plug it and let it thaw for 24 hours. Keep a few towels handy. And then something popped up, of course. You fucking cunt. Sorry for your video. Sorry for the video watchers.
No cooks either. But I just make them work more hours. They don't want to. Well, they're gonna have to. Luck.
Oh.
Luke and the John Turner or whatever.